Hello, let's start crocheting. This is Scooby.
And because this is a big stitch, I'm not going to go through into here because that will stretch out the stitch too much. So I'm going to go down into here like that. So we've made our next double treble. I'd like to demonstrate how to crochet a double treble crochet stitch using a different yarn color. And with this example, I'm making a shawl. So you're going to wrap 3 times around the crochet hook. And this shawl that I'm making is on my YouTube page. Okay, so I'm going to yarn over, go through the first 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops on the hook, and I'm just going to keep repeating that until there's no more loops on the hook. And this stitch, when finished, should be about 1 inch long.